Hello, welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy, and today I'm just popping on here real quick to give you a piece of information. That is, we are going to be doing a live Thursday night at 7 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, and we're going to be showing how to make cute angel gnome ornaments. It's going to be so fun. My husband's going to join us. He's not real crafty, so the fact that he is going to learn how to make these cute little ornaments, it's going to be fun, a little funny probably. And we will also be giving away merchandise, and there will also be question and answers. So you can ask all your burning questions that you have about our YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to all so you'll know when we go live on Thursday at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And I will see you in a couple of days. See ya!